Here I have Porsche Panamera 4S, and let me show you how to set the balance and fader settings in this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using this home screen. From the home screen, you need to navigate by using the left bar, and from this left bar, all you need to do is select here the sound. So let's choose the last option, sound, and under sound, you've got here a few settings that you can customize and you can change. One of them is balance. So if you tap balance here, you can set the fader and balance. So the balance, this controls the volume distribution between the left and right. Set to 0, the sound is perfectly centered, but if you would like to adjust it left or right, as you can see right here, the balance number is changing. If you feel the music is too loud on one side, you can shift the balance to make it feel more symmetrical from your seat. You can also use the fader. So as you can see right here, this is the fader. I can drag this symbol right here down and up. So this controls the volume distribution between the front and back of the cabin. Set to 0, all speaker front and back play at the same volume. Fading to front, good if you want the music focus on the dashboard area. Fading to rear, useful if you have passengers in the back who want to listen to music, while you are preferred silence up front. So it could be really useful. I highly recommend to use this balance and fader and adjust it to your needs. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.